Good morning, everyone. Today, coming from eBay, ambient temperature sensor, like that ambient temperature sensor at Volkswagen Jetta 2005. I show you today. Is Volkswagen Jetta 2005. I show you what is the Platts fan ambient temperature sensor. Some Volkswagen Passat zit hier, hè? Hier, bij de grill, bij de grill, bij de grill hier, like that here. Some Golf zit hier, you know, zit hier. Golf zit hier, ambient temperature. En van Jetta zit hier ambient temperature sensor. Here, this is old one. Is old one. I take old one and then put new one. You take clips. You see one clips here. There is clips. Here the clips. Clips here. Put the clips there with this. Here. Downward. Eruit. This old. So, and then you put new one here. New one. Like that. Here clips. Yes, and then you take these two. Here. I cannot now fix this here inside with my hand, only one hand. I have other hand my phone. Thank you for watching. Volkswagen 2005 Jetta ambient temperature sensor zit here by the window, by the window here, like that. Here, this why, guys. Here, zit inside. You take this, the black rubber. Take the black rubber here, zit inside. Undercar, Volkswagen, the same Volkswagen, Passat of Golf, zit hier. Jetta 2005, ambient temperature sensor, the replacement here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you with nice video. I hope everybody takes subscribe, please. Bye.